Here I have OPPO A58, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, then switch to the Fix and Manage section. Here select Import from SIM, then select which contacts you want to import, tap Import, and after that they will appear in your device's contacts list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.